Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro CP1025 Color Printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download the printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome and in search type HP LaserJet Pro CP1025 Color Printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name and here we find our operating system Windows, then the Windows 10, and here is our bit. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Here select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if you're using 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then click on the Windows 10 64-bit. After that, click on the update. It's refresh this box or the whole page. After that, scroll down and here we find driver product installation software. If it's not expand it and find our drivers. Here we find our drivers. Click on this download button and it is a very large file. Download is started at the top. Our page is redirect to another web page and our download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of your internet to download these drivers on your PC or laptop. Sometimes it's downloaded in few seconds. Sometimes if your internet speed is slow, then it's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 or 5 minutes to download to complete. My download is almost complete. Wait for a few seconds. Download is completed now. Go to the showing folder. Click on the go to the downloads and click on showing folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file. Basically this setup file is a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Wait for a few seconds or few minutes. It's take few minutes. It is a very large file. To unzip this large file on our PC or laptop, our file is extracted on our PC or laptop, and after that we are going to our next step. Our next step is to install these drivers manually on our PC or laptop. It is almost completed. Wait for a few seconds. Now it is completed unzip process and here we find new folder is created on the desktop. Double click on this new folder and here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, wait for a few seconds and at the top here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds. New options are pop up in our screen. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Last option, select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and if you find any port name .4_004 HP printer, HP printer device or HP, then select that HP port. If you not find any HP port, then last option is USB. Select any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port and click on the next. Click on Have a Disk, click on Browse, go to the desktop. Here we find our newly extracted folder. Double click on this newly extracted folder. Select any file that you want. I select this torrent. You can select any file, click on the open, click on the OK. Here we find mini printers. Go to the last, scroll down at this point and go to the last. Our printer name is HP LaserJet Professional means Pro. Here we find HP LaserJet Professional CP1020. It is a series printer. In this series printer, our printer CP1025 is also included. So select this printer and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give 1025 color. I give this name HP LaserJet Pro, Professional means Pro, or Professional or Pro, CP1025 Color. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few minutes or few seconds depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. If your PC speed is very high, then it's take 1 or 2 minutes or take few seconds depending on the speed of your PC or laptop. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to properly and completely install this printer. My printer is installed. If you want to share this printer on network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on the test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet Professional CP1025 Color, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.